In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace 7.1. To begin, make sure you are inside your Squarespace website editor. Once your site is open, go to the main menu and open Pages. This is where Squarespace keeps all of the pages on your website, including pages that appear in your navigation and pages that are hidden from the main menu. Now look for the Not Linked section. This area is useful when you want to create a landing page that does not automatically appear in your site navigation. A landing page is often used for a specific promotion, offer, sign-up page, or call to action, so keeping it separate from your regular menu can help keep the experience focused. In the Not Linked section, click the plus icon. This will let you add a new page to your site without placing it in your main navigation. After clicking the plus icon, Squarespace will show you different page options that you can choose from. Select Blank Page. Choosing a blank page gives you a clean starting point, which is helpful for a landing page because you can build only the content you need. This keeps the page simple and focused, without extra sections or layouts that you may have to remove later. Once the blank page has been created, click Edit. This opens the page editor so you can begin designing the landing page. You should now see the editable page area, where you can add sections, content blocks, buttons, and other design elements. Next, click Add Section. Sections are the main building blocks of a Squarespace page. They help organize your content into separate areas, such as a hero section, an introduction, a feature area, or a call to action section. For a landing page, the first section is especially important because it is usually the first thing visitors see when they arrive. After clicking Add Section, select a template. Choose a section template that fits the purpose of your landing page. For example, you may want a layout with space for a strong headline, supporting text, and a clear action for visitors to take. You are not adding extra steps here, just selecting the section design that best matches the structure you want for the page. Once the section is added, you can add a button block for your call to action. The button is one of the most important parts of a landing page because it tells visitors what to do next. This could be something like signing up, learning more, booking, downloading, or visiting another page. Add the button block in the section where you want the call to action to appear. After adding the button block, make sure the page layout looks correct and that the button is placed where it is easy to notice. Then click Save. Saving your work ensures that the section and button you added are stored properly before you move on to the page settings. Now that the basic landing page content is in place, it is time to set up the SEO details. Go back to the Pages panel if needed and find the landing page you just created. Click the gear icon to open the page settings. This settings area controls important options for the page, including details that can affect how it appears in search results. Inside Page Settings, click SEO. This is where you can enter the SEO title and description for the landing page. The SEO title should clearly describe the page and include the main topic or offer. The SEO description should briefly explain what visitors can expect from the page. Keep it clear, relevant, and focused on the purpose of the landing page. After entering the SEO title and description, click Save. This will save the page settings and apply the SEO information to your landing page. And that is all there is to it. You have created a landing page in Squarespace 7.1, added a section, included a call to action button, and set up the basic SEO details.